Wenchi High Court rescinds bench warrant against Bono East EC Director. The Bono East Regional Director of the Electoral Commission, EC, Gabriel Dayebwa, was on Thursday cross-examined by counsel for the petitioner in the ongoing adjudication of the disputed 2020 Techiman South constituency parliamentary election at the Wenchi High Court. The court had issued a bench warrant during its sitting on Wednesday, April 13, 2022 for the arrest of Mr. Yebwa, when he failed to attend sitting after the court subpoenaed him. However, as soon as he mounted the witness box on Thursday, April 14, 2022, counsel for the EC, Emmanuel Adai, pleaded with the court to rescind the bench warrant. He told the court, presided over by Justice Frederick Arnold Nwora, that his client's inability to appear before the court on Wednesday, April 13, was not intentional, but was due to miscommunication between him, counsel, and the client. The court heeded to his plea and accordingly rescinded the warrant, agreeing that the explanation was understandable. Justice Nwora, however, explained that since Mr. Yebwa had been subpoenaed, he was obliged to attend the court's scheduled sittings on the matter until he was discharged. He therefore asked the petitioner's counsel, Justin Pwavaratteriwaja, to proceed with the cross-examination of the witness and ruled that the witness be treated as an adverse witness. He again ruled that issues relating to presidential results would not be allowed. Documents. Mr. Yebwa was to mount the witness box, with Form 1C and Form 1D documents to adduce evidence, but he came to the court without them, and told the court that those forms were not in his custody since he had forwarded them to the EC headquarters in Accra. He further told the court that he had already submitted the particular documents the petitioner was demanding to the court. Ruling on the matter, the judge said even though the witness had failed to present the documents to the court, his excuse appeared to be palpable. Besides, the court held that the documents had already been served the petitioner and the same evidence was before the court. Justice Nwora said, the failure of the witness to produce the documents was immaterial, and added that the documents which had already been presented could be properly relied upon for the examination of the witness. The cross-examination lasted for more than 2 hours, after which the judge adjourned the case to Monday, May 9, 2022 to continue hearing. As usual, the sitting of the court was held under heightened security with armed security men stationed at vantage points on the court premises. Tens of supporters of the National Democratic Congress and the New Patriotic Party also besieged the court's premises to observe proceedings. The returning officer of the Techiman South constituency, Nanijwamena Frempa, is scheduled to appear before the court. Background. The NDC 2020 parliamentary candidate for the Techiman South constituency, Mr. Christopher Bayarabasonti, filed a writ to challenge the declaration of Mr. Martin Ajay Mensah of the NPP as the winner of the constituency seat. Nyagana, Accra,